In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade plan in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Before you click cancel anywhere, start by confirming which plan you're on and where you're being billed. In 2026, ChatGPT has a few tiers you might see on your account. Go at $8 per month, Plus at $20, Pro at $200, and Business at $25 per user per month. Just as important is the billing source. If you originally subscribed through the Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel from your phone's subscription settings. The website won't show a working cancel button for App Store purchases, so switching to your mobile subscription settings is essential. If you subscribed on the web and you're on Go Plus or Pro, here's the cleanest way to downgrade. Sign in at chatgpt.com. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and open Settings. In the menu, select the Account section, sometimes labeled My Plan. Look for the Manage button. Clicking it will usually open a secure Stripe billing portal in a new tab. In that portal, find the Cancel Plan option. In 2026, it can be easy to miss because it may appear as a small gray link at the very bottom of the billing window, rather than a big button. Click it, confirm the prompts, and complete the cancellation. When you're done, watch for a confirmation email. That message is your proof the downgrade is set, and your paid features will remain active until the end of your current billing period. For business workspaces, only a workspace owner or a billing admin can cancel. First, make sure you've switched into the business workspace profile. Then click your name in the sidebar and open Workspace Settings. Head to the Billing section and choose Manage Plan. Follow the prompts to cancel the subscription for the entire workspace. This stops future billing for all seats. So double check you're in the correct workspace before finalizing. A couple of timing notes can save you hassle. Always cancel at least 24 hours before your next billing date to avoid an automatic renewal charge. After your billing cycle ends, your account reverts to the free tier. Your chat history and projects remain intact, but access to higher performance models, including GPT 5.4 Pro, will be restricted once the paid term closes, and that's it. By confirming your billing source, using the right settings path, and locating that easy to miss cancel link, you'll downgrade confidently and keep exactly the level of AI access you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.